Do you want to teach your son the Arabic calligraphy used in writing the Noble Quran? Do you dream that your son learns the correct way to hold a pen and write with it? Are you struggling with your son in improving Arabic calligraphy and writing in a beautiful handwriting? Ijaazah.com offers you the first online calligraphy course. All you will need are pencil, mobile phone, and white papers. Within 16 days, 45 minutes per session in a small group, your child can learn with us definition of calligraphy in Arabic and its types, how to hold a pen the right way, al-mizan of Arabic letters, the letters which should be on the line and what goes below the line, the length of each letter and its scale, how to write words and sentences until perfection. Your child is going to learn with our professional trainer, Miss Hala Al-Qadi, who holds diploma in Arabic calligraphy and holds an international certificate in preparing non-Arabic speaking teachers within Al-Azhar University. You can get all of this right now for only $30. Hurry up and fill out the form. Places are limited.
Ijaazah.com, where no true desire to learn the Quran is left behind.